Welcome to Zoola Lingo, where I teach you the words you need to survive in a galaxy as terrifying as missing the tea time alarm. Today's word is Foraken. Foraken means both please and thank you, and can also be used in situations where on Earth you might say sir or madam. For example, can you pass the Marmite, Foraken? Or, it's a pleasure to meet you, Foraken. Or, Foraken, spare me another day of this bleak existence on this shitty planet. And don't forget, the best way to learn it is to use it. So be sure to politely Foraken someone, or call someone Foraken if they really deserve it. Foraken for joining me, and Aquase until next time.